Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I am Truth Be Told with Tara, and today I have Mr. Jeffree Star's Summer Mystery Box. I'm not sure if everybody has already got this or if I don't know. Like, I know I hadn't seen anything about it, and then right before my birthday, I happened to get an email that said, hey, there's a new Jeffree Star summer mystery box. So that's what I asked for my birthday, and that's what I got. So it said whenever you purchased it, you would get a free bag. So here is the bag. The bag is absolutely amazing. Look at the size of that bad boy. I mean, this is by far the biggest makeup bag that I own now. And I have a lot. So, okay. So I did this yesterday. I'm going to do this a lot faster today because yesterday it was after work and for some reason it wouldn't upload, but maybe that's a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to save that for last. Okay, so you got one of the phone things, which I've got in the last couple of boxes, I think. Now the gloss. Nope. Well, you can tell that I'm not prepared. Where did the gloss go? Shoot. Okay, well, you know what? It's called Pink Jacuzzi, and it's very, very red. This is Cherry Slut. And these are like the two glosses that were in it. Dang it, where is it? I don't know. Put it somewhere. Sorry. Okay. Now next is cream eyeshadow, and it is very blue, like very blue. I was excited to see that it was a cream shadow, and then it was like, it's blue. It's the one color that I don't like, which sucks because I refuse to wear blue. Okay, so get a little Jeffree Star bracelet. Blue eyeliner, which is, I don't mind to wear blue eyeliner. I just don't like blue eyeshadow. I had a bad experience once and I'll never. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows. Couple repeats. I think there might be one that I don't have. Scene Queen, Star Creek, 1985, Punk Couture, Open Range. I don't think I have Open Range, and Winter Wind. And I'm pretty sure I already have all of those. Okay, here is a Supreme gloss, and it is Queen Supreme. And it is so pink. I mean, this is like Barbie doll bubblegum pink. Yeah. So that'll be given away. All right. Now next is this, and it is liquid blush, and it's called Magic Candy, and it is in Cherry Slut. So let's actually try this because I was a little scared of it yesterday. I was like, oh my god, but maybe just a dot. I swear I did this last time. I don't know if it was with Jeffree Star or not. I think it was, and it was like, at first it was like, whoa, okay, we got to tone that down, and this is the exact same. So a teeny tiny dot is all you need unless you really want to look pink, which I don't, or red or whatever. Okay, I mean, I like it. I like it. I will put less of a dot on though next time. Okay, so next we have the Trap lipstick, or Thirst Trap, I think is what it's actually called. I don't know. Or Velvet Trap. Okay. Um, the color is Cherry Wet. So it seems like there's a theme. It's either pink, or red. Oh, here's the blue eyeshadow. Or not eyeshadow, but eyeliner. Is that, I mean, that just reminds me of the 80s. Okay. And I think this might be what I was missing. No. Okay, so this is Liquid Star Shadow. I meant to use this today and I forgot all about it. So I love that. That's probably one of the very few eyeshadows that I've ever got from Jeffree Star, which is something that I will wear. There's just something about his eyeshadows. They're too much for me, but I love to be able to give them out, and, you know, that's fun. Okay, so I am super thrilled about this. It is Jeffree Star's serum. It come in this box. I hate that you didn't get the initial video of me reacting, but I was in kind of a bad mood. I'm glad that I've redone it, but look how pretty that is. I mean, that bottle is just really pretty, and it looks oily, but it's not. I put it on last night, and you know what I always say about serums, they dry down quick. They're, you know, quality. That to me shows its quality is if it dries down quick. I don't know why. I heard it somewhere, and I've always kind of really, I mean, you can't see anything, but it dries down quick. Okay, so last but not least is a little mirror, and I mean, this just adds to my collection of little mirrors, especially Jeffree Star. So I mean, you can do your, I think it's more for like plucking eyebrows, that kind of thing. All right, so that is it for the Jeffree Star box. I don't know, like I was looking earlier at my my pen that I got in the last box and the big cat. I don't know, like I feel like I did love this box, but I liked the last one so much better. That cat mirror really just did it. But this bag is pretty amazing, and I love the star. Like, I don't know, it'll grow on me, and I love the bracelet, so it's fun. All right, I'm going to end it there because I've got to get to work. My cat is already getting in the Jeffree Star box. It's deep, so she's like happy. All right, I am going to go, and yeah, I'll shut up now, and I'll see you in the next. And